How you doing today, folks? All right, what we're going to do now is I have some repair work orders, and some of them are the same gripe, done 3 times the same month. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my work orders section, click on my work orders, go into where it says preventive maintenance, switch this over to my repairs. And these are all the repairs I have for all my different sites here. I'll go into assign to, switch this over to get rid of all regular users, go to my worker. And in this case, the worker is at this location, so I'll put his name up, select him, and these are all the work orders I have at this one specific location. We have 4 outstanding discrepancies that haven't been completed, worked on yet, but we know there's a problem. So what I do is, multiple ways to do this. You can either go into work orders, get that, or click work orders and select new and start a new one, or what I do is I come in here, take one of his old work orders and make a duplicate. Okay, as my work order comes up, I don't want to do it on, let's see, yep, this will work. Switch over, go into the associated equipment. In this case, it's not this one here, but come in, and from my equipment, I'm going to go down to what the end item is. In this case, it's the tanks. And then this will switch over and show me all my tanks. Now this one here is tank 2. So I will click on this one here. And this will change the information on my sheet for that specific item. And now the origination date is the date you write this work order up. In this case, this was written up on February 3rd. So I'm going to change it from the 27th to the 3rd. Then now I just copy and I put all the same date down for the assigned date. It was originated, assigned, expected, and completed all on the same day. Okay, next coming over, all the information here, down under work requested. In this case, there was water in the berm, so I'll type in water in, this is tank 2 berm. Now it's my discrepancy. Come down to your action taken, and in this case, it is, we pumped out the water, so we'll just now, okay, it takes care of that. Come up to save and click save. Now as you see, the bottom one here is that discrepancy, which was water in tank 2 berm. Now that was on February 3rd. We also did it on the 14th and then again on the 22nd. We had a lot of rain this season. So I'll take the same one, copy it. The date again goes up here, so we change that date from 27th. In this case, it is the 14th. Highlight, copy. If you type faster than doing it this way, then go ahead. I personally can't type that fast, so I just cut and paste. Makes my job easier. Water in there, there. All the other emissions the same. Save. Now we have 2 repair work orders done in less than 5 minutes. So then I do it again for the last one, which was on the 22nd this time. Come in, 27, 22nd. Paste, done, all set, and Save it. Yep. Those 3 work orders are now all done, and we did that in like 5 minutes. Now we have the same thing with on another tank, the exact same things, only 1 day different. So go to my first one, copy it again, and this one here was done on the second, whereas the other one was done on the third. You got to 2, copy. You probably could just use the same dates if you really wanted to, but in this case, for training purposes, I'm switching everything. Okay, those are done, but this is on tank 2, when this one case, this was on tank 3. So go back up, bring it up, major category, all. So you list all your equipment, and here we have like 200 some odd items. Let's go back down to my tanks, click on my tank, and this would be tank 2 over at this other site. Tank 2, that is the person. And this would be tank 3. Click it, tank 3, all done. Save. Now you still see it still is in the assigned location, so I keep them because if it's completed, you got to go up here to assign, change it to complete, and then it'll bring that one up, and then do it again from there. So I just leave them all here until I'm all done, and then I'll switch all these over at one time. So tank 2, this is supposed to be tank 3. Why didn't it switch? Oh well, we can go back and change it later. So copy, back up, tank, this is tank 3, tank 3. Now that first one was on the 2nd, this is on the 15th. 15th. Copy it again. All information is there. Oh, this is now on tank 3. Oh, I forgot that, folks. You got to change down here where it was at. So that's in tank 3. Tank 3, save it. And the last one was done on the 21st. Okay, that's tank 3. Yeah, that's where I made them. Okay, and then copy this one again. Tank 3. And this was on the 21st. 21st. Sorry for that interruption with the phone call. I'm doing this at work. So paste, set, paste, set, paste, tank 3, all done, and there. So now we just completed 6 repair items, all within like 9 minutes. And that's how you do multiple repairs. And you can go back in and do multiple at one time if you want to switch these over to completed. But I do this here so I have the information I can copy and paste and duplicate and knock these out a lot faster. So I hope that worked for you. And if you need any more questions, everybody who knows me, give me a call or email me and I will help you out with what I can. Have a wonderful day, folks. Bye.